Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 22nd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Tesla is down $20.01. That's 2.25%, closed at $869.99. Post-market, we are down by 24 cents. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. We closed outside of this upward channel, and last Friday we bounced. We did not bounce, but we touched this middle channel support. And now we are continuing to go down a little bit. So it really seems this is the congestion zone that is really in play. We came very close to 857.36. If we go back in the past, 857.36 was huge in passing. This is like a rest area. So horizontal support and resistances are like rest areas on the highway. So you stop there and then you continue your ride. You sometimes turn around, but they are not always the main event. The main events are diagonal resistance and support. So these are the main events because they last a long time. Right here, they last a long time. And when you have a horizontal line, it lasts a little while and then the stock goes and do something else. We sometimes have them last longer. So I think that the best example of that is Amazon right here, August 2019 to almost June 2020. So for almost 2 years, Amazon did almost nothing. It was a big congestion zone. So this is quite rare. Back to Tesla, we stopped today at 857.36, but maybe tomorrow it's going to go a little bit lower. It's not impossible that we reach 842.98. We have the split that is coming up very soon in a few days, and usually splits provide excitement in the market and people tend to buy up that excitement a little bit. So we are not seeing that yet. Let's go look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, we were in this descending channel and we drop outside of it. And now we are coming back just below the first support right here. The first support, this is a resistance for now. On the 1 hour chart, stochastic is below 60 and it has been below 60. If you only look at stochastic started below 60 right here on this down candle right here, August 17th. Then the stock came back up a little bit with no stochastic and then things went down. So trading the stochastic yields very nice moves. Anyway. So coming back on the daily chart, so stochastic at 57. So we lost stochastic on the daily. We should not panic too much yet because we have support right there. So it's possible to lose stochastic and still bounce on support, and then we are going to gain it back. But once Tesla is going to go lower than 842.98, since stochastic is not there already, it's going to be there even less if we reach 842.98. At that point, from a daily chart perspective, I would not stay in Tesla. I am not in Tesla anyway because I got out when things got bad a little bit here. But if you are still in Tesla and you are not a super long-term investor, I would think about maybe buying a little bit of a put or even selling shares just in case. But that's not financial advice. This is just what I would do. So MACD, we had the MACD crossover already. RSI is still good and DMI is still good. Let's look at the VIX a little bit. Look at this. VIX is climbing like crazy. So VIX gained 3.47. It gained super high, super fast. So the VIX is basically the fear factor. The higher the fear, the lower the market. So the fear in the market has increased tremendously today. So this has affected pretty much everything. If we look at Dow Jones, look at this. I had told you guys, be careful about this. Things are going up and everybody's happy. But be careful about this resistance. I feel silly when I said it because the mood in the stock market was just hype and hype. I felt silly saying it, but we are bouncing back down. We are bouncing back down and we lost stochastic on the Dow Jones. We have nice support right here. We have nice supports. We could be bouncing on that. But if we bounce on that, we could be coming back down also. So just be careful without stochastic. Any move back up is a little bit iffy. Let's look at S&P 500. The same thing is happening here, bouncing down, even though we did not reach the resistance exactly. Nasdaq Composite came back down within the downward channel. Big downward channel. We came outside of it, but it seems like Nasdaq is not strong enough. If Dow Jones is caving in, the Dow Jones index is considered like the leader of the pack, just like Sinatra was. This is very interesting to see that we're coming back inside it. So maybe, I'm not sure, but maybe we could be having another big leg down. It's possible that this happens. Nasdaq 100, pretty much the same thing. We came back down and even broke the last significant support, I would say. This is not boding well. This is not boding. The next stop for Nasdaq 100 is 12,532. So a rough day in the stock market. Let's see what the rest of the week will give us. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.